free. You took the best of you, took the best of me. Looking back, I should have known the price I'd have to pay. But even if I didn't stay, I'd have loved you anyway. Thank you.